Hello, Bishanfo. I'm Baba Eric Kwamleri channel. So, we introduction video I made picture on your my Rebecca more platform. So, first of all, a bedica network on Wasem. It's a can networking cry a day. Networking, senior with me access the internet, a browser and all that. Your ISP, Ejina Homa. Internet service provider. The Rebecca Wasem Pine Starlink. But the woman Rebecca MTN needed so Wasem Kakra. First of all, Rebecca Starlink, send your wow bits me now Starlink, send your wow bits me settle Starlink app. Some of the issues I about with the Starlink and Rebecca Nina Wasem. You also Rebecca hotspot business, right? Send your bits me in the microtech, send your configure or access point ni omu brands ni bebre ehun adwuma ubiquity rugi microtech TP-Link tender grandstream ni nyina ma ehun adwuma nsi the main say ni configuration ni nyina make sure say na wan kasa obetimi atena ofi na wa your configuration e networking ho nyoma nso wi a the Rebecca ho asem biem CCTV camera installation. Ebe check send wow betimi aye CCTV camera installation. Whether I say NVR and I say DVR, send ya obe connect ama phone. So that's all set up with CCTV ni ya ukwa bonti ya obenya. Ye we nso ebe how to videos. So ebe share nyoma bi ehun hia bi say send ya obe apply for passport, send ya obe apply for Paystack account. Nyoma bi atumi say so usu ebe bo abrabo no. Ebe cheche ni nyina nso platform way so na the many was content I did by you can trim, right? I created a website within just 3 minutes using AI. So this particular platform, so I'll be sharing how to use AI to benefit you as well. We'll be saying for one pay now per day. Enti coming home now. Check my channel. Very soon I'll be dropping a lot of videos. And as a old person me make video on a particular software, hardware, and as a particular product, Mama Sunte. Now I'll do all to make that video and push it out here. It was for Mekramo. That's a essential.